The best way to access Canvas, which is where everything for science and math will be located, is to go through your student's account. The parent view of Canvas is not as user-friendly as going through your student's account, which can be signed in through their Gmail information that's used through Lindbergh Schools. Everything you're going to need for both the math and science Canvas pages are found on the home page. So it's the first page that will pop up when you click on the course. So on the side, when you click on courses, all of your courses will be there. If you click on science or math, the home page will pop up. On this home page, there's how to use Canvas in this class. So it will be for science and for math, just depending on which Canvas course you're looking into. The class expectations and syllabus is going to be on there. About me is on there. These are all buttons you can click on. The weekly plan is the thing you're going to want to check each week. So that's going to have on there everything we're going to do for the week and then some links to those things as well. So the first week, we have 3 days of teacher work days, and then Thursday and Friday it tells you what we're going to be doing in each of the classes. If you go back to the home page, grades, calendar, Zoom, extra resources, grades is where you'll find all your grades. That's going to be the best place to look for grades that are updated most often. I will update grades on SIS at the end of the week, so if you want things immediately, it's going to be looking at Canvas for grades. Calendar is going to tell you all the assignments and when they're due for all of your students' classes. Zoom, if you click on that, that's where you're going to find all of your Zoom links. So depending on what hour you have science or math with me, you'll go to that Zoom links page, you'll click on whatever day you have your class, whether it be first hour or flyer time or second hour. You'll click on the button and it'll take you to the Zoom link. Okay, we are not signed into Zoom right now, so that's not going to take us anywhere, but during the meeting time it will there. The home button takes you back to the home page, and that's on the bottom of every page. Extra resources is going to have some challenges that you can do if you are wanting to go a little bit further, and it's also going to have some extra help if you're struggling with a subject. So extra resources is a good place to check throughout each unit to get what you need. This home page is going to be the best place for you to go. All of these buttons go to specific places. Current unit will go to whatever unit we're on for that day. But the weekly plan is going to be the best place to look to see what we're doing for the week ahead, and that will be updated every Sunday by 5 p.m.